everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen last week I launched a Keychain Display Card cut file. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can add an image to it via Cricut's Print Then Cut feature. So here are 3 designs that I've just made. You can upload any image to this. The method is the same for all of them. Today I'm going to show you how to make the logo one shown in the center. Again, it doesn't matter which image you choose to use, the steps are still the same. So I come up to New and get a clean canvas. Next, I'm going to upload my SVG file and the images. My display card bundle comes with 4 different template designs, and today I'm going to use the one without a hanger. I will leave a link to the bundle in the description. Then I upload the website address. Here you could use simple because it's only black text, but I like to choose complex for all my image uploads as it is the best setting for everything. I do the same for the logo. If your image has a white or a coloured background and you don't want those parts showing, you could clean it up in the screen by selecting the Select and Erase tool and then clicking on the sections you want to be transparent. But for this logo, I'm going to leave it as it is. Then select Save as a Print Then Cut image. Now I select all 3 elements and place them on my canvas. The display card should come into Design Space in a true size, which is 3.75 by 5.75 inches. Just play around with the images, making sure that they fit well inside the base card. If you are planning to have an image printed all over the card, like this Christmas card that I made, make sure that the image is slightly smaller than the base card template. This will make sure that a perfect rectangle is cut out and not all the edges around the floral design. Next, change the colour of the card from grey to white so no colour will be printed. Select all the layers and align centre horizontally. Grab all the layers again and this time click on Flatten. This will make one print and cut image. The logo and website will be printed and the rest will be cut out. With this size card, you are able to print and cut 2 cards together on one page, so make a duplicate and then attach all the layers. It's a little hard to see because I've made the background white, so I'm going to bring up a grey background so you can see the lines better. Click Make It. Here you'll see a preview of the image and an added cut sensor marking, which is the black outline. Select Continue and proceed to the cut interaction. On this screen, select your machine from the drop-down menu. Then select Send to Printer to open the Print Then Cut dialog and select Print. Once printed, I use the Cardstock Plus setting as my card is 300 GSM or 110 pound and place the paper on the Cricut cutting mat and feed it into the Cricut machine. The machine will scan for the sensor marking, then cut around the image with precision. Now I just do the same thing for the other cards, and then finally I can add the keychains. I hope this video has helped you to be able to personalize your own keychain display cards using your Cricut. I will leave a link to the keychain display card templates in the description. If you are making your own keychains, go check out my other videos. I have lots of keychain tutorials. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.